Imagine making thousands from videos that captivate millions without showing your face or uttering a word. Sounds like a dream? Today, we're unveiling the secret behind AI-powered history storytelling videos. Channels like this are getting hundreds of thousands of views and making stacks. The craziest part is these videos are so easy to make, a caveman could do it. No, seriously, it's that easy. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. Ready to be part of the future and profit from the digital gold rush? Make sure you hit the subscribe button and watch the video until the end to see exactly how it's done. To produce these captivating videos, we will need to do the following steps. 1. Create a script. You can use ChatGPT or write your own. 2. Generate AI images. I will use Midjourney, but if you want a free version, you can look into Leonardo or Stable Diffusion. 3. Get a voiceover. You can use Fliki or ElevenLabs. 4. Create the video. Capcut or DaVinci Resolve will do. There's 2 ways you can go about this. 1. You go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a prompt for a historical story. Keep it under 60 seconds since we will be creating YouTube shorts. Depending on your experience with script writing and YouTube, this method might work for you. A better alternative is to transcribe, copy a video that you like, and paste the URL into a website called DubDub. Use their transcription feature to convert the video into written text revealing their script. After this, you can copy the script into ChatGPT and reword it, but add additional words such as make it better and unique. Don't just copy someone else's work, try to add your own flair and improve it. Moving on, it's image generation time. Currently, Midjourney reigns supreme, delivering top-notch AI images with unmatched realism. For this tutorial, I only want to recommend the best to ensure you can create the same quality videos as the ones you've seen. On a budget? Consider using Leonardo or another cost-free AI image generator as a starting point. Next, swing by ChatGPT and request prompts tailored for Midjourney based on your script. Alternatively, you can write your own for a more personalized touch. To ensure Midjourney crafts vertically formatted images, append --AR9:16 to the end of your prompt. This format is spot on for YouTube Shorts and other social platforms, ensuring a seamless visual experience. After generating your images, the next step is crafting a compelling voiceover. While many voiceover platforms offer free trials, Fliki and ElevenLabs stand out in popularity. I'll guide you through Fliki for this tutorial. Begin by initiating a new file. Select audio only and label it. When prompted with voice options, click on Sarah to showcase the different options. Want a male voice? Simply apply the male filter. I'll pick Smith for demonstration purposes. Paste your script, preview the voice, and
Pope Gregory VII once proclaimed cats as symbols of devilish practices, leading to their widespread slaughter.
Once you're satisfied, proceed to download the audio. With all our assets in place, it's time to dive into editing. I vouch for Capcut, especially if you're new to the editing realm. It packs all the essential features you'd need to produce standout videos without a steep learning curve. While DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro are excellent choices too, they cater to a more advanced user base and require a bit more time to master. Let's kickstart the process in Capcut. Begin by importing all your images and audio files. I've already done that here. Start with your voiceover on the timeline, trimming any unwanted silence using either Command+B for Mac or Control+B for Windows. Ensuring seamless audio is crucial. Gaps can disrupt the viewer experience. Always aim to keep your audience engaged. After all, viewer retention is vital on YouTube. Begin by placing your images on the timeline. If they don't align with your script's sequence, simply reposition them according to the voiceover. Adjust the display duration of each image based on your content quantity. Listen to the voiceover and resize the image duration accordingly for a seamless flow. Next up, captions. In CapCut, head to the Text tab, choose Auto Captions, followed by Create. While CapCut usually does a commendable job at captioning, occasional manual corrections might be necessary. For clarity, I suggest displaying only 1 or 2 lines of text at a time. Dive into customization options to tweak the font style, size, and color to your liking. Ensure you review and refine each caption for accuracy and aesthetics. Let's elevate our video. While our foundational elements are set, it's time to garnish our creation with effects and flair. Navigate to the Effects tab and introduce a zoom lens effect on your image. Tailor the zoom's intensity and speed as per your vision. Apply this effect across all your images for uniformity. Next, enrich the video with transitions between each image. The choice of transition is subjective, so explore the myriad of options. Personally, I like the slide transitions for this aesthetic. Ensure each image smoothly transitions to the next. For those desiring a distinct visual mood, navigate to the Adjustments section to modify the hue, saturation, and brightness of your images. This step allows you to craft a unique ambiance for your video. Consider adding a watermark to claim your creative territory. Simply insert text with your channel name and stretch it across the video's duration. Watermarks serve as your digital signature, ensuring credit even if someone reposts your content. I prefer setting the opacity at 50% to retain visibility without overshadowing the main content. While it may seem we're done, there's more finesse to be added. Enhance your video with sound effects available in CapCut's Audio tab. The whoosh sound effect, often used during transitions, is a favorite. Explore and incorporate diverse sounds to inject dynamism into your video. Lastly, to ensure legibility, I often enhance my text with a stroke and shadow. This not only improves readability, but also emulates the style seen in many trending videos. Remember, these touches, though subtle, can make a world of difference in video presentation. Our video isn't complete without the right background music. While there are various sources for copyright-free tracks, I personally rely on Envato Elements. It offers an extensive selection of copyright-free tunes perfect for YouTube content. After selecting and incorporating your music, it's crucial to balance its volume. For the track I've chosen, I've reduced it by 10 dB. This might vary based on the track's inherent volume and the prominence of your voiceover. Another music source is the built-in library within the YouTube Shorts app. However, remember that certain tracks might affect your video's monetization eligibility. Addressing the voiceover's volume, if it seems too quiet, simultaneously hold Command or Control and select each audio clip. Right-click, choose Compound Clip, then either drag the volume line or use the right-hand volume tab to amplify it. Finally, export your video with a fitting title. Here's the finished product.
Pope Gregory VII once proclaimed cats as symbols of devilish practices, leading to their widespread slaughter. This inadvertently paved the way for rats to propagate the Black Death without hindrance. Nikola Tesla pointedly remarked, "My affection for that pigeon mirrored the deep love between a man and a woman, and the pigeon reciprocated because of its fondness for its own kind." Legend has it that Queen Cleopatra pioneered the earliest version of a sports massager, ingeniously crafting it from a gourd teeming with agitated bees. Such a device surely provided a unique recovery experience.
If this video resonated with you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights.